Get ready with me to go to the Little Mermaid premiere, but first we gotta eat because I'm starving. I'm starving. Let's do hair. Netflix is playing. Let's get into it. So I was invited to attend the premiere with Shea Moisture, and I'm not gonna lie, when I got the invite, I literally did a happy dance. I was so excited. Not only did I get to watch one of my favorite childhood Disney movies, but I also got to experience this with my daughter, and that is something that I am never going to forget. Okay, we're moving on to face. Face. My thoughts on the movie now that I have seen it. Honestly, I loved it. The little inner child in me was so happy to see a woman of color on the screen play a princess that I have loved dearly since I was a little girl. The only thing was that it was a little scary for my daughter. I completely forgot about the opening shark scene. You know, when King Triton loses his SHIT and when Ursula decides to mess everything up, I forgot how scary those scenes actually are. And so it was a little much for my 4-year-old daughter, but the overall experience was incredible. If you are going to see it, I highly recommend. I just do not recommend for any littles under the age of maybe 5 or 6. I ran out of space on my memory card, but we are done. So the lashes I used are giving it very like this fairy vibe, and I went for like more of like the, I don't know, I call it like the pixie or the fairy nose contour. We're just, you know, we're going for the mermaid-esque vibe today. I'm really loving the lashes though. The lashes, 10 out of 10. I mean, the dress code for this event is Caribbean chic, and I missed that memo. We're just still gonna go for the mermaid vibe, okay? We're gonna go for the mermaid chic. That's the vibe, okay? Okay, so now that I'm done, my hair is still pretty wet. Just so everybody knows, you can still heat damage your curls by diffusing it because it's a lot of heat in one concentrated area, especially if you have colored parts. And for me, it's such a struggle because this part of my hair is colored, but this part of my hair is my natural, and this is still very wet, holds on to moisture pretty well. I mean, minus this part in the back of my head, but that's it's a discussion for another day. But this is still this part is already dry, so I want to make sure that when I'm diffusing the rest of my hair that I'm focusing it more so up here rather than on the blonde parts, because we do not want to dry those parts out any further. 1, 2, 3, jump! I was not expecting this much definition using that product for the very first time, but I have to say it's looking really good. Had I known I would have started yesterday so I would have some more volume today, but it's all good. It's all good. We are all dressed. Are you nervous? You're nervous?
And happy.
You're happy and nervous?